welcome back to the channel and welcome to the new Mazda CX-60, the most powerful Mazda ever made. Yes, that's correct. 2.5 litre petrol engine with a battery that can do up to 39 miles electric. Combined horsepower 323, and yes, that is Mazda's most powerful car. So what is this? Let's talk about this particular car. This is the Takumi derivative, which is basically the top of the range. White with white, nice spec. I'm not sure about some of this interior, but nonetheless, what I do like is the fact that you still got buttons. Right, spec quickly. Driver assistance pack. It's got a convenience pack and a panoramic sunroof. So convenience pack has your wireless charger, your privacy glass. Privacy glass is an option. For some reason, they preferred to put in a heated steering wheel and cooling seats, but not privacy glass. Weird. Anyway, right, what's it like? So this has got 39 miles of pure electric. I've seen 31, which isn't too bad, considering there was only a report about a week or so ago that said most plug-in hybrids won't do the WLTP electric range that manufacturers quote. That's a different conversation for a different day. Now then, let's have a look. I think this car looks really, really good from the outside. It looks really nice, really appealing, really, really attractive. However, you get inside, it's not up to the German standards. So if you're used to the Mercedes and BMWs of this world, and interestingly, Mazda, I think this will go against the X3 and the GLC. I don't think it does. I think it goes more against the Toyota RAV4, the Ford Kuga, the Tiguan plug-in hybrid, some of those, not the X3s, Q5s and GLCs. I think this is a tad smaller than some of those that I've mentioned. Nonetheless, what is it like to drive? I don't think that the battery and engine connection works very well. I think it needs some fine tuning. It's an 8-speed CVT gearbox, I believe, and it's just not there. It's not got the smoothness of when it comes out of electric and it goes into say electric into petrol and vice versa. Just doesn't, that kind of connection isn't there at the moment. Nonetheless, it's still got buttons, which is great. Your center console still has buttons for your aircon rather than into the screen. You still have the controller to use the infotainment system, which I think is brilliant, because a lot of manufacturers are moving away from that. It's touch pads or touch screens. That's fantastic. Heated steering wheel. It's not a full round heated steering wheel. It's only on the 3 and 9 position, which is a bit, it's not great. Come on, give us the whole steering wheel as heated. Nonetheless, heated and cooling seats. You don't even get that in Mercs these days, which I think is fantastic. Well done, Mazda. Boot space, ample. I think it's bigger than some of the competition. Rear leg room could be a little bit better, but you'll still be able to get adults on a decent journey without any problems. I think this is a decent car. I believe they are launching a CX-80, which is due, or CX-90, which is due to be bigger than this, which again, you know, people may say, okay, well, instead of taking this, we'll go for that one instead. Now, as I said, on the options, convenience pack, driver assistance pack, and your son, it's pretty much a loaded car. 20-inch wheels. The ride feels fine. Company car drivers. Now, this is aimed for you. It's a good alternative. This is a very good option, very good alternative, especially with the price increases you guys are seeing from some of the German manufacturers. From a 40% taxpayer, you're looking at between 210 and 250 between now and 2027. So from a tax perspective, it's there or thereabouts. It's permanent four-wheel drive, so you are going to be paying a little bit more. The Japanese are very honest, and they couldn't get that extra mile to make it an 8% benefit in kind. So they told us 39 miles, that's all we can do. You never know, there may be someone working on it to make sure it lowers it down, lowers that benefit in kind, and it's brilliant. It really, really will be a winner from a taxation perspective, especially against that RAV4. That RAV4 has got some very good figures behind it. That's coming on the channel at some point. We're just waiting for the new model year vehicles to arrive in the UK, and Toyota have said they're going to send me one. The other alternative to this is the Lexus NX 450H, no, 450 Plus I think it's called. That's coming on the channel very soon as well. That is booked in, and I'm looking forward to driving that because I haven't had a Lexus on the channel. So, as I said, overall, it's a very good proposition. If you're used to driving one of the Germans, this is nowhere near them. But that said, if you're looking at some of the other brands, certainly the Toyotas, the Fords, good alternative. There is also Jeep. Jeep have got some plug-in hybrids coming. I saw the Avenger, which is the all-electric, but they've got some coming as well. Again, interesting. Tonale, that would be another good option against this. So the Alfa Romeo Tonale is coming to the channel at some point as well. So lots coming. Company car drivers, if you're looking to order a new car in the next couple of months, 6, 7, 8 months, watch out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's going to be a lot of videos for you. Going back to this car, it does come in a standard petrol and I believe one diesel, to be confirmed. Look at your local websites to just confirm that. But again, it's not a bad car. Lots of space, it feels airy. I'm not sure about some of this colour. I'm going to say plastic, it's not wood. Feels right. It's nice to see some buttons, nice to see you to not think about it. Right, one negative on this car. If, like me, you have one business phone and one personal phone, you can connect 2 phones, no problem. However, you won't be able to use both phones at the same time. You heard me right. So, most cars these days, I do not know why you can't do it, but in this one, you can't. So, you'll have this car, you'll connect 2 phones to it, you'll only be able to use one at a time. That isn't great. And like I always say, I'm going to be brutally honest, that's one major negative compared to everyone out there in the market. I don't know any manufacturer. I didn't think any manufacturer would produce a car that you can't use 2 phones on. And like I said, like me, I have a business phone and I have a personal phone. So that's one negative. Sorry, Mazda. Overall, it's a great looking car. The wheels look good. It's a decent drive. It's not the best, but you know, for a Mazda, comparing it to its rivals, it's right up there. So it's a decent job. Guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because, as I said, there will be more videos coming. I've got lots and lots of cars booked in already over the next couple of months, and those videos will be hopefully flocking through. So thank you as always, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.